In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a list in Aweber. Start by logging into your Aweber account and looking for the quick menu. This is the fastest way to jump straight to the tool you need without digging through multiple pages. Click the quick menu, then use the search bar and type in Create List. As you type, Aweber will begin showing matching options. From the results, select Create New List. This opens the list setup process, where you will enter the basic details Aweber needs in order to send emails correctly and stay compliant. Next, enter your company name and your website. Use the name people recognize, since this helps subscribers trust where the emails are coming from. For the website, enter the main site you want associated with this list. If you do not have a full website, use the most relevant page you do have, as long as it represents your brand accurately. After that, select or enter your sender address. This is the physical mailing address tied to your emails. Aweber uses it for required footer information, and it helps with deliverability and compliance. Make sure this address is accurate and up-to-date before you continue. Once those details are filled in, click Next Step. Now you will name your list and add a short description. The name is mainly for you, so choose something clear that matches the purpose, such as the audience, topic, or funnel. The description can be brief, but it should summarize what subscribers are signing up for, because it may appear in places that help set expectations. When you are ready, click Next Step again. At this point, choose your confirmation message settings. These options control what happens when someone subscribes, including whether they need to confirm their email address and what message they receive. Pick the settings that match your sign-up process and the type of permission you are collecting, since clean confirmations can improve list quality. Finally, click Create List to finish. Your new list will be created and ready for you to start adding subscribers and sending campaigns. And that is all there is to it.